Tools needed for the job.
5/8 spark plug socket, 10mm deep, pair of pliers.
Yep, what do we got?
All right, we got a 2019 Beetle 2-liter turbo. We're gonna do a quick spark plug service on it. First thing you want to do is get the ground strap or grounds loosened.
Definitely recommend a pair of pliers.
Okay. So your coil's loosened up. So we pull straight up. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get the plugs out. This is a 5/8. Check all your gaps. The factory plugs come pre-gapped. You basically just want to make sure no one dropped them. That's the biggest thing. Okay, get a torque wrench going. 25 Newton meters for the spark plugs.
25 newtons. Tools needed for the job.
5/8 spark plug socket, 10mm deep, pair of pliers.
Coils back in.
Grounds. Hey, get the plugs out of that Tiguan there, pal.
All of them?
Yeah, fuck it, pull them all. Keep them in order though, please. Actually, you know what? No, pull the cylinder 2 plug. Only.
Only two?
Only 2.
Your make model?
2019 Beetle 2-liter turbo, quick spark plug service. All right, it's like money in the bank. Fire it up. Burn like a kitten.